Welcome back to the channel, my friends. I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Chris. You're watching the Snow Boss. And yes, we just got a surprise snowstorm. Fun when the weatherman says 80% less than 1 inch, and we are now at 5 inches. I'm going to show you 5 inches. 5 inches. So we don't have 5 inches on the asphalt, thankfully, because it was been 60 degrees the last couple days. So, but we've got almost 2.5, 3 now in most spots. Some spots don't have any where the salt was. So yeah, we're gonna give this a scrape down and hit it with salt, and we should be good to go. Only a couple hours more, I think, or a few more hours of this, ready to go. But you can see how much snow we got on the RTV and the skid steer. So much for less than 1 inch, because at this rate we're probably going to be pushing 6 inches. Again, not on pavement, but total accumulation. Anyway, I guess let's get into some plowing. All right, guys, made it to a warehouse. Sometimes employees don't answer their phones, don't show up to work. Thankfully, it's a Sunday morning, not a big deal. Actually, they come in pretty late here, so I'll have this whole lot done in probably 45 minutes. Hopefully, should be pretty easy because I'll be windrowing everything out. And yeah, so I'll be in the 926, 1222 Metal Plus. Let's do it. Man, look how much snow there is. 6 inches we got. 5-6 inches, easy. Thankfully not that much on the parking lot, but it still needs a scrape. So let's go to work. Let's go to work. Whew, haven't been in this in a long time. Let's see. Where should I put you guys? Where do you guys want to go? So it's nice with these Metal Plus wing plows, we can go right up, back drag the doors, back drag the docks, 22 feet at a time. Yeah, so fortunately this is the north side of the building. And of course, the first 50-60 feet of this complex is concrete, so yeah, so that means that, but yeah, you can get right up to it, back drag it out. Cannot beat the productivity, that's for sure. Fortunately, these stupid steps are always in the way. So those are a pain in the behind. But easy peasy 22 feet. This is a 22 footer at a time. You can get right to there. Back drag it out. So how close? Yeah, within 2 inches of those posts I can get. So this was a surprise storm. Everybody was calling, oh, it's only gonna snow an inch, maybe an inch. Yeah, we had an inch before I even woke up to check. So that's never fun, waking up to that, let me tell you. We also, this warehouse has those silly wheel chocks at every single door. Luckily, we've been pretty good all year putting them up, get them out of our way. But still gotta watch, because you grab one of those, you're definitely ripping it off. And then they complain, oh, you ripped off our blocks, blah 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 blah. Yeah, I mean, some of this definitely got about 4 inches on it. Some of it's got nothing. The black pavement's got nothing. Always an issue. Always an issue, this silly parking lot with the concrete on the north side of the building. But Snowball should be finishing up over at the retail center. I am finishing here. Ken is across the street in the 950. Not sure we're gonna see any of that footage today, because he'll probably be done by the time I get over there with this. But you see, I'll have to, when I go back in there, I'll show you something. So easy, 22 feet at a time. Got a call from my one friend, he needs some help, his salt spreader broke down. Woo! So we'll see what happens there. But anyway, normally we don't get any snow on these stairs because they're graded steps and platforms. But unfortunately, the snow is so sticky and wet, we're actually gonna have to shovel those things. right, guys, so we got it plowed. I'm gonna hit this with salt. This will all be melted. So not a crazy storm, just not what was predicted, that's for sure. So we got an extra one here. That's great. Hit that like button, helps with the algorithm. Smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you next video.